This video captures a severe industrial accident at a paper manufacturing facility. While heavy machinery was operating at high speed, a worker approached the rotating rollers to adjust materials. Lacking physical guards and a safe distance, the worker was caught in the moving parts. Despite immediate rescue efforts by colleagues, the incident occurred too rapidly for effective intervention. This serves as a critical reminder for strict adherence to safety protocols. Never approach moving parts while in operation. All maintenance requires a full lockout, tagout procedure. Facilities must implement machine guarding, such as physical barriers and e-stop sensors. Comprehensive safety training on recognizing pinch points is vital to reducing risks in industrial environments. This video captures a serious industrial accident in a loading dock area where pedestrians and motorized vehicles operate simultaneously. While a forklift was reversing to transport goods, an employee entered the driver's blind spot and was subsequently struck and pulled under the vehicle. The incident happened so suddenly that nearby co-workers were unable to prevent it, though they immediately rushed to provide emergency assistance. Key safety takeaways include the need to establish traffic segregation by implementing dedicated pedestrian walkways and separate zones for forklift operations. Workers must maintain blind spot awareness and never walk behind active machinery. Additionally, businesses must enhance vehicle warning systems with backup alarms and strobe lights to improve the operator's ability to detect hazards. This video documents a distressing incident at a theme park involving a high-thrill ride that experienced a catastrophic mechanical failure. While the ride was in full motion, the primary support arm suddenly fractured, causing the passenger gondola to lose stability and strike the platform below. The sudden nature of the structural collapse created an immediate emergency situation for everyone at the scene. Critical safety takeaways include the necessity for rigorous maintenance and inspection, where park operators must implement strict schedules and conduct frequent testing to detect metal fatigue. Furthermore, amusement rides should be designed with redundant safety systems and emergency braking mechanisms. Finally, consumer awareness is key. Patrons should visit reputable parks and follow all operator instructions to minimize risk. A dramatic security video captures a chilling near-miss involving a mother and her two children at a railroad crossing. While attempting to cross on a motorbike, the vehicle became snagged on the uneven rails, causing it to stall and fall. With the train fast approaching, the mother displayed incredible presence of mind by prioritizing her children's safety, pulling them clear just in time. This incident serves as a powerful reminder to stay vigilant. Always use designated crossings with proper signage, and remember the stop, look, and listen rule. If a vehicle becomes stuck, prioritize life over property and abandon it immediately. This heart-stopping moment highlights the importance of never underestimating the speed of an oncoming train and being hyper-aware of your surroundings. This footage captures a terrifying near-miss at a busy container terminal when a massive mooring line suddenly snaps due to extreme tension. As a heavy vessel maneuvers, the cable breaks and recoils toward the dock with incredible force. A nearby port worker demonstrates life-saving reflexes by dropping to the ground just as the cable whips through his location. This incident highlights the need to respect the snapback zone and never stand near tensioned lines during docking. Personnel must maintain constant vigilance for signs of cable failure, like unusual noises or fraying. Always wear full personal protective equipment and stay trained in maritime safety protocols. Regular inspections of mooring lines and winch systems are essential to prevent such unpredictable technical failures. This security footage captures a serious equipment failure at a professional auto repair shop when a red sedan suddenly lost balance on a two-post lift. Due to improper weight distribution or unsecured locking pins, The heavy rear end caused the vehicle to slide off the support arms and fall several feet. Fortunately, nearby technicians reacted quickly and avoided injury. This incident highlights the need for strict adherence to lifting protocols, including verifying manufacturer-recommended lifting points. Technicians should always perform a stability shake test when tires are just inches off the ground. For heavy vehicles, utilizing supplementary jack stands is essential for stability. Routine maintenance of hydraulic systems and safety locks is required to prevent mechanical failures. Always maintain safe clearances and never stand directly under a vehicle until locks are engaged. This serves as a critical reminder that safety rules must never be ignored. This security footage captures a serious workplace accident where a technician was performing maintenance on an active industrial press. While attempting to fix a mechanical issue, the worker leaned too far into the roller assembly. Because the power was not disconnected and lockout protocols were bypassed, the worker was suddenly pulled into the machinery. A colleague attempted to stop the machine, but the mechanical force caused severe injuries instantly. This serves as a vital reminder to always follow lockout, tagout procedures before any repair. Never enter a danger zone while equipment is in operation. Facilities must install physical guards and automatic sensors to prevent such events. Personnel should be rigorously trained on emergency stop locations and supervised during complex tasks. In industrial settings, safety protocols are the only line of defense against tragedy. This video captures an unbelievable traffic collision between a small truck and a motorcyclist. As the truck slowly changed lanes, a speeding motorcyclist struck the side of the vehicle. In a stunning turn of events, the rider was launched into the air and landed perfectly in the back of the truck on a soft tarp. The driver stopped shortly after with the accidental passenger resting safely inside. This rare outcome highlights critical safety lessons. Always maintain speed control and keep a safe following distance to allow time for reaction. Drivers must check blind spots thoroughly before merging to avoid smaller vehicles. Wearing a certified helmet is essential as it protects the head during any impact. Never rely on luck, as most collisions without a soft landing lead to serious consequences. Stay vigilant and focused to ensure safety for everyone on the road. This footage captures a frightening moment when a high-thrill amusement park ride experienced a sudden and severe mechanical malfunction. At first, the ride appeared to be operating normally, with 2 passengers enjoying the experience, but the equipment suddenly accelerated to dangerous speeds, spinning completely out of the operator's control. The video shows a staff member frantically trying to shut down the power, yet the ride continued to flip violently despite these efforts. Cries of excitement quickly turned into pure panic as the passengers were subjected to intense G-forces. This incident serves as a sobering reminder that operators must implement rigorous daily inspections and test emergency kill switches, while visitors should always assess ride conditions and ensure all harnesses are properly secured before the start. This video captures a high-risk maintenance incident involving an excavator's hydraulic system. While a technician was performing repairs on the machine's hydraulic cylinders, a sudden high-pressure hydraulic failure occurred, causing fluid to spray forcefully. The loss of pressure resulted in the heavy excavator bucket dropping abruptly, nearly striking the worker who was positioned directly beneath the equipment. This incident underscores critical safety lessons. Always secure heavy components with mechanical stands or cribbing, rather than relying solely on hydraulic pressure. Technicians must depressurize systems completely and follow line-breaking safety protocols. Maintaining a clear crush zone is essential to preventing serious injuries.